Hey YouTube Chapstick. Really quick, I do have a community post asking what you would like to see from me for Vlogmas. And for me, full disclosure, I don't celebrate Christmas. I have looked up the history of Christmas and what it is, or what it was and what it turned into. Whole other story. So anyway, I don't celebrate Christmas, but I know Vlogmas is a huge thing. And so check out that post and leave your comments. It would be helpful to me if you leave your comments under that post, because that's where I'll be looking. But I do also keep up on comments, and so if you comment here, I will still see them. So for me, Vlogmas isn't necessarily vlogging about Christmas type stuff, decorations, gifts, and I don't give just for Christmas because I do that year round anyway. But if there are additional ideas or suggestions or things that you would like to see, I will be sure to do those for Vlogmas. And I do have quite a few of you who posted ideas already. And I got tag teamed by 3 people on doing a massive wing liner. I'm like, why are y'all ganging up on me? I'm just a little lonely old fragile troll. But anyway, so it doesn't have to be makeup related necessarily. It could be questions you have for me you would like to know my answers on, or my thoughts or opinions about something. It can be makeup related, of course. If you want a specific color story, if you know what palettes I have, which are over there, which is why I'm looking that way. If you know particular palettes I have, if you want to see certain looks, let me know that. Yeah, or just general questions about life or me personally. Just let me know and I will knock those out. I do have a huge holiday sale haul video coming up, and I'm making these faces because that video was going to be long. So yeah, and so the idea for me also of Vlogmas is just to do videos where I can just sit here and talk to you, or if I'm doing a color story someone asked for, or the massive liner wing thing that somebody wanted, that'll just be the video, and there will be minimal editing, which will make it easier for me just to do them and upload them. Yeah, so that's what I just wanted to say. It's just to remind you to check out that community tab, or to write below this video what you would like to see from me for Vlogmas, which really isn't Vlogmas according to the definition of it, but just, you know, videos you would like to see me do for December. And I doubt I'll do one every day unless it's just something really short. And so I'm going to leave this here. So yeah, you'll see me again soon.